Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools ready: a T15 Torx screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a soft cloth for cleaning. First, unplug your Dyson SV14 and place it on a flat surface. This will ensure safety while you work. Next, locate the battery compartment at the back of the vacuum. Using your T15 Torx screwdriver, remove the two screws securing the battery cover. Keep these screws in a safe place as you will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the battery cover off to expose the battery. Now you will see the battery connected to the vacuum. Carefully disconnect the battery by pulling the connector away from the main unit. If you encounter any resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed and that you are not forcing the connection. With the old battery removed, take a moment to clean the internal compartment with a soft cloth. This will help maintain the performance of your vacuum. If this seems too tricky, remember we offer collection and delivery at your home, so you can have your vacuum serviced without any hassle. Now, take your new battery and align it with the connector in the compartment. Push the connector firmly into place until you hear a click, indicating it is secure. Once connected, replace the battery cover by aligning it properly and securing it with the screws you removed earlier. Ensure the cover is flush against the body of the vacuum to prevent any dust from entering. After securing the battery cover, give the vacuum a quick wipe down to remove any fingerprints or dust. It's important to keep your appliance clean for optimal performance. If you need assistance, remember, we provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. Finally, plug your Dyson SV14 back in and allow it to charge fully before using it. This will ensure the new battery is properly calibrated. If you encounter any issues during this process, don't hesitate to reach out for professional diagnosis without obligation. We're here to help you keep your vacuum in top condition with no calls and no travel required. And that's it. You've successfully replaced the battery on your Dyson SV14. Enjoy your clean home with your revitalized vacuum cleaner. Does your device need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic, home collection and delivery with no calls or travel required. We send you a quote before repair and we only proceed with your agreement. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in the description.